Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you raspberry spot in Heartopia to help you collecting more raspberries. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the raspberry spot. Okay, you can go to the flower field and you will find a lot of raspberries there. Okay, this is the raspberry that we can collect, and then you can search around here and you will find raspberries. Okay, this one as well. You can also go to the flower field guys. All right, and right here as well. Basically just go to the flower field and you will find more raspberries here. Okay, this one. Okay, and fox is the one who eats raspberries. So here is the fox spot as well. And you can see the fox sculpture here because this is the fox spot, and fox eats raspberry in Heartopia. Okay guys, and that's how you can get more raspberries in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!